Cooking Up.
Hi, this is Cooking Up. Today I'm going to make a sweet and sour pork ribs. Yeah. So I have approximately, this is maybe about 300 grams or 350 grams of ribs here. If you can get this particular part, this is the more tender part. Yeah. So later we are going to deep fry it and marinate it deep fry. After which we are going to cook it with some sweet and sour sauce. So how to make the sweet and sour sauce? Actually not difficult. First of all, we have this is 2 tablespoons of light soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of Shaoxing wine, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, 3 tablespoons of black vinegar, and 4 tablespoons of water. That's all you need. So I'll quickly give it some marinade. Bit of oyster sauce, light soya sauce, some Shaoxing wine. Give it a mix. And I'll give it some cornstarch. And we shall deep fry this. So we have some oil, heat it up to maybe on about 150 degree. Meaning it's hot, but you don't see any smoke coming up. That is approximately 150 degrees Celsius. It should take roughly about 5 minutes plus minus to cook through the ribs. Use medium-high heat, yeah, to deep fry the ribs. How do you know whether it is cooked or not? Well, sometimes it really depends on your experience. But one very good indication is now you're seeing a lot of bubbles, right? All these bubbles are water or liquid releasing coming out from the meat itself. So because of the high temperature. So later you're going to see this bubble getting lesser and lesser. That is a good sign telling you your ribs is almost there, almost fully cooked. I always like to see some caramelized color or some charness on my ribs. If you don't like that, if you prefer a lighter color on the ribs itself, then don't put oyster sauce when you marinate your ribs, and put lesser light soya sauce also. This is approximately 5 minutes. The smaller pieces is already done definitely. I can take it up. So we set this aside. We will just very quickly make the sauce. This is the light soya sauce, the Shaoxing wine, the white sugar, the dark vinegar, and the water. We're going to heat it up and allow it, cook it until it becomes thickened up. So once this is boiling, let it boil for 10-20 seconds, and you can start seeing it's getting a little more and more thickened up. This is the time when we can put in the ribs. Give it a few stir, and we shall let it keep the higher heat here, and we shall let it reduce by itself. So the sauce will get thickened and coat the ribs nicely. This is after about 1 minute. You can see the sauce is thickened out by itself. Let it continue cooking until everything coat the ribs nicely. See, it's getting shinier and shinier. And the sauce is getting lesser and lesser because it's actually coating the ribs right now. Getting caramelized. And it is done once you hardly see any sauce. Everything wrapped nicely onto your ribs. Done. Ta-da! Now we can serve. Look at the beautiful shiny color. Right, my sweet and sour rib is done. I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Enjoy your dinner with your family. Bye bye.